Unlocking the clock. The meaning of extra time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often pops up in conversations about schedules, sports, and even relationships. Extra time. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get that extra knowledge. At its core, extra time refers to an additional amount of time that is added to a period that is already set. Think of it like a bonus, when you think you're out of time, but then you receive a little more to accomplish your goal. In everyday usage, extra time can be as simple as asking for a few more minutes to finish a task at work or needing some more time to get ready before leaving the house. It's the time beyond what was originally planned. Example, can you give me some extra time to complete the report? I need some extra time to get ready. I'm not leaving just yet. In the world of sports, extra time has a very specific meaning. It's the additional period played at the end of a game if the score is tied and a winner needs to be decided. This is common in soccer matches during knockout stages of a tournament. Example, the match went into extra time after the teams were level at 90 minutes. Extra time can also be metaphorical, often used in the context of relationships or personal decisions. It implies giving someone or something a little more patience or another chance to improve or resolve issues. Example, she decided to give the relationship some extra time before making a final decision. In academics, extra time might be the additional minutes granted to students during an examination, often to accommodate those with special needs or unexpected interruptions. Example, the student was granted 30 minutes of extra time for the exam due to his learning disability. And that's a wrap on extra time. Whether you're scoring goals, finishing projects, or mending hearts, knowing how to talk about and negotiate for extra time can be incredibly useful. We hope this video has shed some light on this versatile phrase. If you found it helpful, remember to give us a little extra time of your attention by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time, keep learning and see you soon.